Thanks so much for watching today. I wanted to reach out after the Fed increased their interest rates by 75 basis points and take stock of where we are, maybe hit the pause button and get some perspective as to where the markets are, where they were, and perhaps where they're going. And we can frame it relative to pre-COVID, COVID, and post-COVID era. Let's think about interest rates, for example. Interest rates pre-COVID, 3.5%. They went down to 1.25%. Now they're on their way back, 3.3, 3.4, maybe on the way to over 4%. What about oil? Oil between $60 and $80 a barrel went down to a negative $35 a barrel. Unprecedented. Why? Because we were getting 2 weeks to the gallon. No one was in their offices. No one was flying. No one was driving. Mortgage rates also 5%, maybe 6%, went down to 2.5%, 3%. Now you're seeing 5%, 6%. So as we see the effects of this economic raccoon going through the post-COVID snake, we have to understand that we're unwinding everything that went through our economic system during that COVID period. So the Fed, they floated trillions of dollars. PPP money, employee retention credits, they all created liquidity for people. Wall Street bonuses last year went through the roof with a 27% increase in the S&P, 43% in the real estate index. So bonuses were big, people were awash with cash, and now that they can get out, and they can get out and about, you're seeing travel expenses go through the roof. You're seeing oil go through the roof. You're seeing food go through the roof thanks to Russia and the Ukraine collapse in what they export. So ultimately this creates this witch's brew of inflation, of higher interest rates, and ultimately the thing that cures high prices is high prices. You'll reach out to us individually so that we have some time to talk, but this was simply a note to come out to you to say, we acknowledge where we are right now. We're seeing the pain that people are feeling. We're seeing what's happening on the statements. We're seeing what's happening in the fixed income markets, in the real estate markets, in the publicly and privately traded REIT space, and not to mention some of the more speculative areas. And we see that reset that ultimately becomes very, very healthy, but painful while you go through it. So reach out to us individually. We're going to send more of these notes out so we can do quick summaries as events unfold. And I thank you for watching.